Hi, my name is Vishal. I am a top rated plus WordPress developer on Upwork. From converting the designs into fully responsive websites, even if it's ACF Pro, Elementor Pro, Divi Builder or WPBakery, or if it's a LearnDash or Buddyboss websites, let me show you some of my recent projects. So this one is LS Projective, which is real estate websites. I converted that website into Elementor from a Figma design that was provided by my client. Swain Associates. Swain Associate is a website which was built on ACF Pro, and the next one is Laycock website. This is a Slovak website which is built on Slovak language on WPBakery. The client provided me the XD design which I converted into fully responsive and fully animated website. Coding Temple is one of the biggest e-learning and bootcamp platform, and I created both of their websites, even if it's the main website which I created in ACF flexible content, or if it's a LearnDash website which I created using the combination of LearnDash and Buddyboss. I have created multiple functionalities there, from creating the user dashboard to creating my own Team Canary reporting plugin. Eat Protein is an e-commerce website which is built on Live Canvas Builder. I integrated multiple payment methods there, for example Apple Pay, Stripe, Authorize.net, etc.
Go to the Upwork and you can search for Vishal Soni. And as you can see that I have been maintaining top rated plus for last 5 years now, and I have almost completed 6,000 working hours with 200 jobs on Upwork. So if you have any questions from for the LearnDash or for the Buddyboss, or want to convert your design in using ElementorPro or ACF or WPBakery, you can message me and I can schedule a free call for you, and then we can discuss your project requirements. Yeah, bye.